guys, good morning. We're traveling to Crescent City in Oregon, but we will stop in Eureka, still California. And right now we're here in Highway 1 leaving Daly City. As you can see, foggy, very common in Daly City, the fog city. Just two of us. We land. Say hi.
Hi.
And this is still Daly City. Look at the fog.
It's like Friday.
It's
like
Friday.
3 days.
It's a 3-day getaway. We can get away. Long weekend for us. 4 days.
On Monday.
We go camping. We go fishing by the ocean, by the shore, by the beach. And this is our breakfast.
Spanish bread.
Spanish bread or
From
Lingnam. Ano tawag dyan? Yung ano?
Spanish bread.
Cheese bread or
No, Spanish bread.
Spanish bread. And ang aking coffee. Traffic. It's 7:47 a.m.
This is Friday.
And we're here at MacArthur Tunnel at Presidio. Malapit na tayo sa Golden Gate Bridge. And it's foggy. And we're approaching Golden Gate Bridge. And now it's super foggy. Wala kang makitang Golden Gate Bridge. Look at that. So thick. Kapal. Ang kapal ng fog. Makita yung Golden Gate Bridge. We're in the middle of the bridge, and that's downtown San Francisco na hindi mo makita. And dito meron pa yung another tunnel. Ano pa yung name nun? Yung si Robin Williams, Robin Williams Tunnel. Robin Williams Tunnel. And dito na tayo ngayon sa Corte Madera. Still 101. Freeway 101. Still we're at 101, 243 miles pa bago ko na mag-exit. Almost 4 hours pa. Meron muna tayo ng balita. 24 oras. Merong isang maliit na town dito, Hopland. Another small town. Haba nito mo. Like 1 hour and 24 minutes na lang to Eureka.
Di ba din?
Okay, another small town. One log. Like a souvenir shop.
Nice.
Ganda ng view. Maraming pine tree.
Mga trees.
Nice. Then pinasok namin tong Avenue of the Giants. Ang laki ng mga puno.
That's why they call it.
That's why they call it. This is the Avenue of the Giants.
Because of the big trees. Redwood. That's redwood, right? Redwood trees.
Wow. Ganda oh. Pumunta kami ngayon dito sa Avenue of the Giants. Look at the big tree.
Kaya? Ito, oh. Dito wala.
Alright, we stopped by here at the Founders Group. And I'm gonna go there. Going to Founders Group.
It won't be in Eureka, it'll be before Eureka. can get the entire tree in
Oh
the
yeah,
photo, that'd
that's
be
no
great.
problem. I'll just
Just
step
go a
back.
mile that way.
Yeah.
So ready 2 o'clock. Gutom na kami. At kami mag-i-in and out. Here at Eureka.
Onto Broadway Street.
Okay, change mine. KFC raw. Okay, so we decided to go to KFC. Instead of going to In-N-Out. Alright guys, dito ngayon tayo sa Samoa Boat Ramp sa may Eureka. Dito kami magstay overnight. And it's an open campground, no hookup. But there's a shower and restroom. Alright, so this is our dinner for tonight. Nagbaon kami ng salmon and striped bass, freshly caught by the Bid. Shout out to the Bid. And nandito kami ngayon sa gilid ng bay dito sa Eureka, sa Samoa campground. So yun, magstay kami dito for overnight dito sa Humboldt Bay sa Eureka. And then alis kami bukas ng umaga, pupunta naman sa Oregon. Alright, see you on our next video for tomorrow. Hello, good morning. Paalis na kami papuntang Oregon and magko-coffee muna sa biyahe. Dito kami sa Costco parking lot. Bumili lang kami ng aming knickknacks. So sa biyahe, aming espresso. It's the best coffee machine, espresso machine na portable. Alright, we'll start leaving. Bibili lang tayo ng tubig sa grocery outlet.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto Broadway Street.
Almost 2 hours travel time. We're leaving Eureka. We're along 101 at Eureka. Ngayon tayo sa Arcata. We just passed Eureka. Arcata along 101. Almost 2 hours to border ng Oregon. Dito tayo magka-crabbing and magstay for maybe 2 nights. Okay. Elk Country. I think there's a lot of elk.
Oh, may campground.
Oh yeah, there's a campground. Stone Lagoon. Ang ganda oh. Ayun oh. So pag mabagal ka, slower traffic, keep right para pagbigyan mo yung mga mabibilis, hindi ka nakakaabala sa ano. Ayan, gandang view. Redwood National State Park. Malapit ka lang sa beach, oh. Okay, small town again. Anong tawag dito?
Oric.
Ha?
Oric.
Oric. Oric. Population of 357. Wow.
Only.
Look at this. At the barn. Oric. Oric Elementary School. Oh, the Bigfoot. And then, ito yung Tree of Mystery. Ang tao. Punta na kami yan last time, so hindi na kami pupunta ngayon. Ganda ng view. Oh, taas. Sabi. Malula. Ayun. Oh, baka may ano rito.
May meet up.
May motor show.
Oh, so mine.
Oh. Grabe to. Ang taas natin, oh. Grabe. Taas. Wow, look at that. Ahot. Taas. Facing Pacific Ocean. So dito na tayo sa Elk Valley. Oh, look at the beach. Ang tao. Para tayo. Tayo natin. Okay, nag-stop muna kami rito sa Crescent Beach. Nice. RV Park.
At the stop sign, turn left onto
Nandito
US
ngayon tayo sa
101
Crescent City. Ito ngayon tayo sa Crescent City. Milang Marina. Ito tayo ngayon sa lighthouse. May nakita akong lighthouse doon. Welcome
Turn left
to
onto Front Street.
Crescent City. Nakalagay doon. Crescent City.
In 600 feet,
Meet up ng mga lumang sasakyan.
May tiga Georgia.
Okay, nandito kami ngayon sa Crescent City and that's the lighthouse. Hindi kami makatawid kasi high tide eh. Oh. Yan, balik na kami. Balik na kami ng sasakyan. And then dito sa gilid daming may halaman. Ayan. I think it's mulberry or raspberry or blueberry. Hindi namin alam kung ano yan. We just left Crescent City. Pupunta naman tayo sa border ng Oregon. Oregon. Okay, we just enter Oregon State. Right now it's 90 degrees. Grabe, tumawid na yata kami ng border, ang init na. Nag-right turn kami rito sa may dito na yung pupunta namin. Pagkakarabingan sa Oregon. Ayan.
Bawal yung kasi?
Turn left onto Boat Basin Road, then turn left.
Beachfront na yan.
Turn left, then your destination will be on the right.
Beach RV Park. No vacancy.
High-speed internet.
Just gonna use a day use parking.
Head northwest on Boat Basin Road. In 1000.
Tayo magstay sa Chetco River, South Jetty. Yung sa kabila, yung north. Oh, ang dami naliligo. Wow. Dito tayo ngayon sa Chetco River, South Jetty, here in Oregon. Ito yung lunch namin. Binili namin sa Costco. Smoked back ribs. It's fully cooked. And then microwave na lang namin. Okay naman. Plano sana namin i-grill sa labas, pero ang init. Grabe, 90 degrees. Ito. Ang daya nito. May chicharon, no? Sumisimple rito. Meron kaming dalang chicharon. Kain tayo. Tumigas? No?
Ayan?
Lumabig?
Ayan?
Nag-dry.
Dry wrap naman kasi. Dapat nagdala tayo ng barbecue sauce. No? Eh ngayon tayo bumili niya. Hindi natin alam.
Nung natuyo, nag-dry. After microwave. Microwave lang namin. Ang init sa labas, hindi na namin nag-grill. Yung Thomas Creek na largest or tallest bridge in Oregon. Try namin bumaba, meron daw access dito. Hey, what's up guys? We're back. Dito kami ngayon sa Harris Beach. in Brookings, Oregon. It's a long walk downhill. Ito lang napansin namin dito. Ang daming berry. Hindi namin alam kung kinakain ba to. Yan o. Hindi namin alam kung kinakain to. Baka pag kinain namin, manigas na lang kami. This is Harris Beach in Brookings, Oregon. Oh,
Continue for
ganda.
3/4 of a mile.
Patayos lang. Bakal.
Ano, puro glass pa, no?
May shower kaya dyan? Ayun sa labas.
Shower ka?
Hindi, pang basa lang siguro. No?
Ano lang yan?
Pang yung wash ng mga nag...
Pwede ka rin mag-ano, pero magpapalit ka sa loob.
Buhangin.
Ano alin?
Pwede mag-stay.
Hi guys, nag-stop kami ngayon dito sa Natural Bridges Viewpoint. Isa sa pinupuntahan dito sa South Oregon.
You got me kissing the ground, sanctuary. Shadow me with your touch. Oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous, know what we found. Hopeless, hallelujah. On this side of heaven's gate. Oh, my life out to ya. Breathe and take my breath away.
So yun nga, galing kami dito sa Natural Bridges na one of the attraction dito sa South Oregon. Pabalik na tayo. Ito yung pinakadulo na pupunta namin district. Unti-unti na kami pabalik ng Bay Area.